How to see downloading files in Chrome. So if you want to see the downloading files in Chrome, then what you need to do is first check your internet connection. Once you have a stable internet connection, you just need to go for your Chrome. So open up your Chrome browser. Once you're here on the Chrome browser, you need to go for the upper right, which has that three dots icon, and then you can go for downloads. Once you're on the downloads, here you will have all of the things that you have downloaded. Or if you want to go with the files, then you just need to open up your files application on your device. And once you're here, you need to simply tap on files and open up the application. And you can simply tap on downloads option. Tap on downloads under the categories. And here you will have all of the downloaded files on your files application. So that's how you can see the downloading files in your Chrome. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.